Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Trieste celebrates 174 years of state police.
Trieste marks the 174th anniversary of Italy's state police on April 10th, honored at the Teatro Verdi in presence of the region's top institutional figures.
Ho voluto essere presente per portare la testimonianza di ringraziamento da parte di Regione Friuli Venezia Giulia alle forze di polizia che costantemente, quotidianamente tutelano la sicurezza dei cittadini, costantemente mettono anche a rischio la loro incolumità per il bene comune. Questo dobbiamo sempre ricordarlo, avere anche un senso di riconoscenza, perché scegliere di fare il poliziotto non è un mestiere come un altro. È un mestiere che è una missione a servizio di una comunità.
It's an important anniversary. We have evolved really very much, and now it's really challenging to have a new world in front of us, especially a new kind of crime. I mean the web crime, and so we are trying to be on the same page of the New Year's.
Yes, it's a day also for the emotion. Not only to commemorate the anniversary of the Polizia di Stato. Honestly, I was part of the Polizia di Stato and I gave my contribution, hopefully to make better this day. But mainly the day is for all the people of law enforcement.
From Trieste, Boris Johnson sounds the alarm on global tensions and Western divisions.
Former British Prime Minister Boris Johnson took the stage at the Politeama Rossetti in Trieste at the Link Media Festival, arguing that Washington made a strategic blunder by attacking Iran, while urging Western allies to show unity among democratic governments rather than division through mutual criticism.
I think we're very lucky in the sense that UK-Italy relations are incredibly good right now, and in spite of all the brilliant temptations by my friend Marco Zatterin to say something tactless, I don't think. Yeah. And so we love Trieste. We're very, 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 very happy to be here.
Neighborhood Watch, building safety in Trieste.
Trieste local police relaunched Rioni Sicuri project, bringing mobile offices back to neighborhoods and now into public gardens, offering weekly support, direct listening and stronger community safety.
Rioni Sicuri is a very important activity for our local police. We started last year in spring and the project had immediately a great success. After the stop for some months, now we are ready to start again. Local police will be present in the districts of our town, but also this year in the gardens, in the parks. The aim is always the same, to be present, to meet people, to collect reports, to give information.
Trieste Airport in the spotlight for Connect Aviation 2027. Trieste Airport will be in the spotlight once again as it hosts the 2027 Connect Aviation Forum, a major European event for air route development. The gathering will bring together airlines and airport leaders from across Europe to explore new connections and partnerships.
It is a perfect setting for our event. Its location, geographic location, its incredible history, the fact that it's so cosmopolitan, it's steeped in history and culture. So for us it's a perfect mix that is the great setting to welcome the delegates from the aviation community.
Our main goal is to make all the companies around Europe to understand better and to know better all our region.
L'aeroporto di Trieste in realtà è un aeroporto che ha già testimoniato di poter crescere in modo importante. Siamo passati da quando abbiamo preso in consegna la regione da 700.000 passeggeri a 1,7 milioni, quasi sfiorando 1,7 milioni, quindi una crescita importantissima.
È un evento super internazionale, 850 operatori, quindi ci saranno imprese, ci saranno aeroporti, ci saranno istituzioni, insomma un grandissimo evento.
Friuli Venezia Giulia charts a new course for maritime growth.
The Friuli Venezia Giulia region held a closed-door industry forum in Monfalcone announcing the country's first regional boating law and new business grants as part of a broader push to grow its maritime economy.
Innanzitutto ci troviamo nel posto giusto perché penso che Monfalcone parli più di altri territori il linguaggio del mare, quindi insomma in questi anni è stato fatto un lavoro molto importante di sviluppo. Devo dire che la Blue Economy, così la definiscono oggi, rappresenta una percentuale molto importante del prodotto interno lordo del Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Today we will present a study that certificate the contribution of Trieste and Monfalcone in the maritime economy, and we will present even a series of benchmarks from, for example, Croatia or, for example, Greece, to highlight a sort of new strategy.
Friuli Venezia Giulia at Vin Italy, 80 producers, one unified identity. April 12 marks the opening of Vin Italy in Verona.
And Friuli Venezia Giulia arrives with strength and unity.
80 producers, one shared identity. In Pavilion 6, a region comes to life through its wines, its landscapes, and its people.
Una vetrina importante, internazionale, per promuovere, come dicevo prima, non solo il vino ma anche quelli che sono i prodotti apprezzati non solo in Friuli Venezia Giulia, non solo in Italia ma in giro per il mondo. Il formaggio è uno di questi.
Il vino preferito di Friuli Venezia Giulia?
Il friulano. Il friulano accompagnato da una buona fetta di salame e una fetta di montaggio. Cosa voler di più?
Nella realtà il Friuli Venezia Giulia ha fatto una scelta chiarissima che è quella di cercare di supportare le aziende ad arrivare sui mercati internazionali e i numeri ci danno ragione.
Appunto del territorio tra tradizione e anche autenticità che non è da
Friuli Venezia Giulia è una terra che offre tantissimo, abbiamo il mare, abbiamo la montagna, abbiamo il cibo, il vino, abbiamo insomma tantissime cose, quindi vi invito a venire in Friuli Venezia Giulia a scoprire questa terra straordinaria.
From tradition to innovation, every glass tells a story of excellence. Friuli Venezia Giulia is where connection becomes taste. Many travelers chose sunny Friuli Venezia Giulia this week.
A bustling weekend across Friuli Venezia Giulia. Where are you from and how are you enjoying Trieste?
I'm from Japan and I'm enjoying so much. Yes, I'm living here. This is the best moment for me to enjoy, to stay outside. Yeah.
How are you going to be enjoying the weekend?
We're from Austria, actually. And we're just here because it's my birthday today. So we enjoy our day in Trieste. I've been swimming and eating and drinking, so it's perfect.
I'm from the south of Italy, a city named Potenza, and I've been in Trieste for 5 years now, and it's like an amazing city, and it's so lovely to stay here, and I hope to stay here as long as possible.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.